Okay, so let's do some quick market analysis, and after that, we will do a question answer session as well as. Okay, all right, all right. Okay, so do you want a market analysis and question answer only? So, if you have your opinion, you can ask in a chat section. All right, now let's see and start the session. First of all, look at this one. This is our Euro USD chart in a daily time frame and what happening here and what we can expect in next upcoming week in a Euro USD. Right now, you have to mark the structure first. This is our previous higher high was created here at this point. As you know, the market momentum was bullish till this high, and this one is our previous high low is here, and again break this high and confirm this is our become our brick of structure because market momentum was bullish and everything was bullish here till now, right? And sudden what happened, market break this low and confirm this point become our choke. After choke, what are you looking here? We are looking here for the sell after taking out the inducement. This is our inducement and this is supply zone is here. Why? Because the market momentum is a bearish and price tap on this supply zone after taking out the inducement. And now you have to identify where is our extreme. Extreme always top of the move is here. Okay. But price not tap here and how we can deal in this situation. As you know, the price fail our decisional PY, then we can buy or sell till extreme PY mitigation. So same thing happen here. Market pushing higher high. And now this time market taking out the inducement, mitigate order flow buy here and target this point, but price not mitigate those PY. And again, what are you looking here? We are again looking here for the buy after taking out the inducement. So this is our low. This point become our inducement is here. And after taking out the inducement, probably we are looking here for the buy to the upside, right? Liquidity grab here. And now we are anticipating that price can be go higher to mitigate this PY is here. Okay. And right now, in a daily time frame structure, there is no unmitigated PY order block order flow, just flow it. So you can see here in terms of the order block, you have to start always bottom of the move. So this one is a mitigate, this one, and this one is a looks only unmitigated order flow. Order block is here, right? So we can use this PY as a bullish order block is here. When price tap here, then we can see some bullish momentum like this. Okay, so this one is a possible scenario in a Euro USD in a daily time frame structure is here because just orbit everything is mitigated and just fluid everything is mitigated, and this one is a looks PY when we can expect that price can be tap here and when then we can go higher. Okay, so this one is our last point where we can expect for the buy momentum in a Euro USD. Let's see what happening here in a 4 hour time frame. In a 4 hour time frame perspective, market momentum still looks bullish here. The previous structure was created here, the lower lows, lower high, and lower lows. And then this was our previous break of structure, and this point become our choke. And after CHoCH, what are you looking here? We are looking here to marking the inducement, and then we can expect where is our new higher high. Look at this one, inducement taken out, and after taking out the inducement, our higher high is a confirm is here. Higher low, again continue going higher high and new higher high. And this point become our next inducement is here, right? And this is a higher low. Okay. Now, what are you looking here? We are looking here for the continuation because market momentum is a bullish and everything looks bullish in a 4 hour time frame. Everything looking bullish here. But price still not break this low. If market break this low and close below it, so we can expect that market looking for the reversal. Price is still trading our weight. Okay. Why? Because this one is the extreme PY is here. Price holding this PY is here. So if price hold this one and create any 50-minute chalk here, and then we can expect a buy momentum to the upside in a Euro USD. If price not able to hold this one, this PY right here, and then failed, so we can expect a drop something like this, very big drop till this PI mitigation here. Okay, but this PI is a inside. Yes, sir. This is a inside move here. Exactly. Because the actual candle is here, black candle. Okay, so this is inside move, which is absolutely correct. Okay, so price uh still bullish momentum is here. If you have to wait for it to break this low before to sell here, and market momentum showing also a bearish momentum is here. You can see everything looks bearish here. Price continue falling in a downside, and we can expect a downside move in a Euro USD. Let's check a 1 hour time frame. So this is our 1 hour time frame analysis here. Okay. And in a 1 hour time frame, you can see market looks a bearish here. Okay. When market momentum is a bearish and simply we are looking for this sell after taking out the inducement. So this is a previous structure was created here, right? Pushing higher high and downside. Everything was bullish here. Break the structure, push higher, create inducement. Higher high was created here in terms of the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is a higher high. And after higher high, what happened here? Market tick around the inducement, mitigate PY and go higher. Again, this become our higher low is here, right here. And this point become our boss, peak of structure here. And this is our job because structure shift here, bullish to bearish. And now we are looking here for the sell after taking out the inducement. So inducement is here because the first pullback is here after taking out the inducement. Simply we are looking for the sell on decisional and extreme PY. The last buying momentum before the sell is here. Okay. Press type here but not create any reversal indication. Now you have to identify where is our top to bottom. Look at this one. All order flow is immediate here. Only this one is the last buying momentum before the sell is here. Mitigation and then sell. Press tap on extreme PY is here. Okay, one press tap on extreme PY, then market give a reversal move to the downside, and this has become our new structure here. The lower low is here. Okay, and this point become our new lower high is here because market momentum has been changed. Bullish to bearish in a 1 hour time frame. Everything is a bearish here, and market create new break of structure is here. Again, what are you looking here? We are looking here for sell after taking out the inducement. So where is inducement? Here. This one is our inducement, and after taking out the inducement, simply we are looking here for the sell or at this PY. This one's a mitigate. The last buying momentum before the sell is here. Let's check this one. Okay. So this one is our decisional PY is here. And one price trap here. And then we can sell here. And the next PY is on top of the move. The last buying momentum before the sell is here. Right. And here we can sell. When price tap here, then we can expect a downside move. This is a liquidity graph here. Right. So simply you have to wait for it to mitigate this PY here and create any chalk flip, and then we can sell at this point. How to trade reversal? For reversal, I already make a video on it. So simply you can watch them. Okay, now switch or another one is a gold. Let's see what happening in a daily time frame structure first of all. In a daily time frame structure looks bullish here, everything is a bullish, and you can see market creating higher high is here. When market creating higher high and creating higher low, again higher high, but at this time market not taking out the inducement, so simply market must be taken out the inducement at this time. Okay, because this one is our previous structure was created here, higher high is here. Yes, this was previous break of structure, higher high, higher low, higher high, and again higher low, again higher high expected if market taken out this inducement right here. So this is our inducement. If market taken out, then we can expect confirm this is a higher high right here. This one is a inducement here. Okay, and let's see what happening here. Price pushing downside, taking out the inducement. This is a decisional PY when we can expect a buying momentum to the upside in a gold based on daily time frame, and the extreme always top of the move. Everything is material here in terms of the order flow. So simply you have to mark this order block is here. So these two area when we can expect a reversal continuation in a gold in a daily time frame perspective. Sir, on your USD 4 hour support and don't think 1 hour sell, don't hold. Please check teachers time frame collaboration. Sir, in a 4 hour time frame is still bullish, but price not tapping any PY. If sweep the main low, then we can sell, right? But in a 1 hour time frame structure looks clearly bearish and price tap on decisional and extreme PY, then you can sell. Okay. And then you have to put your stop loss and target based on same time frame, 1 hour time frame, not 4 hour. Okay, so now let's switch here in a 4 hour time frame to see exactly what happening here. In a 4 hour time frame, structure still bullish here, everything is a bullish here. And if you mark the structure here, the previous structure was created at this point. The higher high is here, higher high is here, confirm higher low, break the structure here, and same thing applicable here. The previous higher high was created here at this point, right here. And market taken out the inducement, which point is here. And after taking out the inducement, simply we can expect a confirm this is a higher high is here, pushing downside, break this low, break this high, and confirm another break of structure here. Pushing downside, and once market taken out this inducement, then confirm this is a higher high and break this low and confirm this is a chalk. So simple. In a 4 hour time frame, can we see reversal after break this low? Because this is a reversal point, this is the main low is here, right? This is a reversal point. If market like break this low and create inducement, and then we can sell till this PY mitigation, because this is a like decisional PY in terms of the daily time frame, right? Let's see what happening here in a 1 hour time frame. Okay, in a 1 hour time frame, a similar story, the Euro USD, like a 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame or similar story looks bullish, push downside, break the structure, pushing downside, taking out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, there is no order block or imbalance or order flow is here, just word, everything is mediated. So simply in that case, you can, if market looking for the buy, then market must be sweep this one and then we can go higher. How to trade? Please don't send multiple time because I'm just analysis and after that I will read your question. Please keep patience. Okay. So after taking out the inducement, we can go buy in a Euro USD if market sweep this one. Otherwise, if close blood, so simply we are looking here for the sell after taking out the like break this low and create shock and taking out the inducement and then sell. Okay. Okay. So now switch here in a 50-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here. Then we can understand in a lower time frame perspective scenario. In a 15-minute similar story, like 1 hour and 50-minute and 4 hour looks similar story because this move happened suddenly during news. So buying and selling, and now we are waiting for to break this low. And before to breaking this low, we can short-term sell here in a counter trend like this. And this is a counter trend move here. Okay. So in a counter trend, you can simply sell after taking out the inducement, then we can sell, break this low. I think this one's a actual lows are broke here. Taking out the inducement, price go higher, mitigate the this PY here, and then sell. Right. So this is a possible scenario in a gold in a 15-minute time frame. Right here. This is a chop. Liquidity grab here. And this is a PY when we can expect the last buying momentum before the sell is here. Right. So price can be mitigate this PY if market tap this one and create any reversal indication, then we can sell here. This one is a gold in a 15-minute time frame. This one. Okay, so now let's see. Next pair is our Bitcoin, BTC, USDT. What happening here? This is our Bitcoin chart in a 15-minute time frame, and switch here in a daily time frame. In a daily time frame structure is a bullish here, everything is a bullish. But if you see here exactly what happening here in a weekly time frame, market momentum is also bullish, but market taken out the liquidity, taken out the previous high. So when market taken out the previous high, as we know, that market grab the external liquidity, which is indication for the reversal for the short term maybe, and sometime market gives the actual move to the downside. Okay. So this is not happening first time. You will see so many times market grab the liquidity is here, like here, like here, and like here. So these are external liquidity graph here. When market taken out the external liquidity, then market gives actual move to the downside. Same thing happening here. Market taken out the previous high, and then now we can expect a short-term move to the downside right here. Okay. In a daily time frame structure, you can see market must be taken out the inducement. If market taken out the inducement, simply if we can buy this one. This is our area when we can expect market must be taken out, and this is the area the last selling move before the buy is here, and price can we tap here, and then we can expect a buying momentum in a Bitcoin if price tap here and create any bullish indication at this point. If market not able to create any bullish indication at this point, then we can see a drop in a Bitcoin market. Okay. Right now, market in a corrective move. So you can't identify where is market going on, because right now you can see in a 1 hour time frame, you can see the market momentum was first bullish and now turned into bearish. Okay. So bullish and bearish happening. And this is our previous structure here. Lower lows, lower high, taking out the inducement, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, and break this one and create CHoCH. And after CHoCH, we are looking here for the buy after taking out the inducement. Just below it, there is an unmitigated order block is here, but there is no proper imbalance, so we can shift here, which is already mitigated by this pullback. So I don't think market react from here. Simply in this case, simply you can use the shadow as a PY. So once price type here, then we can expect a reversal move to the upside, because this is a CHoCH happen here. Before this move, this is a boss and boss, taken out the inducement, mitigate extreme PY, sell. Take this one, taken out the inducement, decisional PY. Oops. React from here, push downside, and create any reversal indication, then we can buy to the upside. So this one is a possible scenario in a Bitcoin market. Now let's read your question answer. How to take a counter trend. Sir, I already make a video on it, so simply you can watch them, which will helpful for you. That how you can take a counter trend. Bank Nifty, okay. Okay, so this is our Nifty analysis in a 1 hour time frame, market momentum still looks bullish here, and everything is a bullish here. Market momentum condition is here. Everything is a bullish here. Market pushing higher high and creating structure like this, higher high, like this one, higher high is here, right? So everything is a bullish here, and right now market break this low. Sorry, market break the main low is here. So when market break the main low, which is an indication for the reversal, and create a chalk here. Okay, and wait for 1 hour inducement, which is happen here, and decisional PY at this point is here. Where is extreme? Extreme always top of the move, so we can sell at this point. The next PY is here when we can sell in a Nifty based on 1 hour time frame. When price type here, and then you have to switch here in a 1 hour time frame, because 1 hour time frame and 5 minute time frame is a lower time frame right here. Okay, and here we can wait for to mitigation this PY, then we can sell. And this is a 5 minute time frame. Price type here, create and fade. And when price failed the decisional PY, then simply you can buy till this PI mitigation. So simply you have to wait for it to mitigate or taken out this liquidity like structure. Just below it, you have to identify where is our last buying momentum before the sell, and this one, everything is mitigated here. There is no PY which is unmitigated. Everything is mitigated here. Simply you can see the pullback is here. This is the extreme. So price came back this point here. You can buy here. And also you need to understand here, if you are buying or selling Nifty, Bank Nifty, then you have to buy on order flow, not order block, because order blocks sometimes market miss and sometimes sweep. So simply you have to buy or sell on order flow zone. Buy market, buy smart, buy smart. So price type here and fill this one. When price fail this PI, and then we can short term buy here. This is a counter trend buy to the upside, and this is a short term move, right? First decisional PI type here, and we are looking here for sell. After sell, break this one and mitigation this order flow is here in a different time frame, and then continue higher, break this high and continue looking for the upside, because market you have a multiple PY on extreme PY, so market trying to tap this one before the sell. Simply if you want to see clear picture, then you have to use 1 hour time frame everywhere. Top down, same analysis happening in a Nifty as I told you, that market gap the liquidity, market mitigation your PY, simple thing happening here. The previous higher high, higher low, break the structure, pushing higher high, break the structure, taking out the inducement, decisional PY, break the low, and confirm chalk. And after chalk, we can sell. There is no inducement, so simply when we can sell. Either market break, create this inducement, then we can sell. Otherwise, we can see after sell, sweep this high, right? This is a previous higher high, higher low, and higher high. Market already created a chalk here because this is an inducement and this is an inducement. And 1 hour time frame is a similar story happening here. Price must be mitigate your extreme PY before the sell is here. So price type here, then we can expect a downside move here. Hidden supply demand. Hidden supply demand only use when price sweep the previous higher low. In that case, we can use. Okay. If there is no PY, in that case, we can use hidden supply. Mostly you will see in a crypto market and Forex market, not in a Nifty and Bank Nifty. Major inducement. Sir, major minor is a very simple thing is here. Like first pullback is here, like break the structure. This one is a small pullback is here, right? So this ones are called minor inducement. You can confirm this is a lower low, right? But when you are looking for the sell, then you have to identify where is our PY. First thing is a strong zone like this one. Okay. And so you can consider this one, this high as a major, which is must be taken out and then press tap here and then sell. Major minor is very simple in terms of the size. Okay. If two, three candles, that's simple. You can say the minor. Major is a in a shape and size the larger. Candle order block स्विंग या पुल बैक के नीचे चला गया बिना मिटिगेट किए फिर भी नहीं लेना होगा. नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर यू सेइंग. अगर 1 आवर के ओबी पे मार्केट टैप हुआ उसके बाद 5 मिनट में चौक मिला तो हमें लिक्विडिटी के हिसाब से आईडीएम फाइंड करना है क्या एग्जैक्टली. व्हेन प्राइस टैप ऑन योर हायर टाइम फ्रेम 1 आवर पीवाई सिंपली then you have to wait for it 5 minute like chop, wait for inducement and then sell. This is a 5 minute story and now you can sell like this. When the single candle order block is not valid. Single candle order block is not valid in a like in an impulsive move, not randomly. Single candle order block on a specific point, on IDM point, on swing higher low and PY point. These 3 points are available. I mean Friday USD 1 hour extreme PY for sell, but it was bullish in a 15 minutes. So we have to follow and then we convert stop loss. Sir, I mentioned recently that you have to stick on your time frame, but if you want to see more clear picture, then you have to use 1 hour time frame because in a 15-minute time frame you will see sometime a very lagging things happening, and 1 hour is a clear picture. So I'm just using 1 hour and recommended also 1 hour and 5 minute combination. So you have to use them because in these day market are very volatile. Single candle out of block. Okay, if mark go down without mitigation and come back long time, so it's like single candle order block. Okay, if market came down without mitigate. Yes, if single candle order block only applicable on your decisional and extreme PY on inducement and main high low. Okay, every pair and 1 hour. Yes, inside bar, inside pullback, mitigate the order flow. That order flow is a valid. No, inside bar move is not valid to marking order flow, order block, or anything. अगर 1 आवर का आईडीएम मिला है उसके नीचे डिसिजनल ऑर्डर ब्लॉक मिला है और उसके नीचे अनमीटेड ऑर्डर फ्लो है तो हमें डाउन शिफ्ट करना होगा. सर मेन थिंग आपको इंड्यूसमेंट लेना है. इंड्यूसमेंट लेने के बाद जो भी पहला पुल बैक या लाइक आपका ऑर्डर फ्लो या ऑर्डर ब्लॉक है उस पर ही आपको बाय सेल करना है. उससे इंड्यूसमेंट से पहले कुछ भी क्रिएट होता है वो आपका काम का नहीं है. हाउ टू एंटर ब्रेक चौक और बॉस. सर सिंपल. ब्रेक द चौक एंड टेकन आउट द इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड बाय ऑन PUI. How to read both side after taking out the inducement without PUI. It means the pullback and pro trend. How to know it is a valid multiple close. candle. Simply, you need to watch the counter trend video where I mentioned that how you can catch the both side move like pro trend and counter trend. If market momentum is a bullish and taken out the inducement, then we can counter trend buy. And if market like create a break off structure like this one, and then you can also sell here till this inducement taken out. So you can sell here, and when price tap on this PY here, then we can go higher and you can buy here also. So simply you can buy or sell in a both side. You need to watch the uh, chapter where I mention everything. So please, I have a question. Yes, please. How to find the high probability order flow? High probability order flow is available on Extreme always. Where is proper unmediated order flow? Must be. Best currency SMC smooth चलेगा उसमें. SMC work in every pair, but you have to use high volume pair like GBP Euro USD. You can use other pair like Aussie USD as well as. So if we have an unmitigated wick, grab the previous candle on extreme, then below there is a proper order block and which one is our PY because the big is the PY that we can proper OV is a SMC, right? Which one is our PY? Sir, if the unmitigated shadow or wick on a top, so simply you have to use the shadow. Okay. If the unmitigated shadow like this one, I'm going to show you exactly. For example, this one is our break of structure, taking out the inducement, and this is our long shadow here. And this is unmitigated. But just below it, you can see there is a one more order block is here. So which one you should use? You have to use the order block is here, not this shadow, right? Okay. You have to use the unmitigated order block is here. If the situation is a different, like here, this is a shadow here, unmitigated, and just above it, you can see order block is here. So in this scenario, you have to use the extreme shadow. That's it. PY का मतलब point of interest when we are looking for the buy and sell and a specific area. You can understand something like this demand and supply point when we are looking for the sell. Order block, order flow, imbalance. These are all PY. Please, sir, I would like to throw some light on session liquidity. Session liquidity, I already cover in an ebook and video course, everything in a detail. So, which will be helpful for you if you understand it. And after that, if you not understand anything, simply you can text me on Telegram. I will respond to you. Don't worry. 7.4.0 is coming. 4.0, I'm trying to make a content and continue working on it. Soon you will see in a like a May month in a Hindi version and English version possible in a June and maybe before the June and before the May. Okay, because in a 4.0 is a very like fix and quality or like work on quality setups and things which is actually working for everyone and not make it complicated. I make a very simple and easy to trade for everyone. And also this time I will focus mainly on live trading, live session, live trading and recorded videos, ebook diagrams are very small part of the 4.0 and main part is a live trading and live session. Okay, you will get a maybe 4, 5, 6 videos around in a 4.2 and also in a video in an ebook you will get a I think in a 15 to 20 pages and some diagrams which is actually important for you and this time I will make a very simple easy to trade for everyone not complicated and also you will get everything is a very like a crystal clear and also very logical practical and also proven. Okay, How to find valid order flow? Valid order flow is our valid pullback, must be, which is must be imbalance. Like this one, you can see this is the last buying momentum before the sell. There is no pullback mitigate, so this is order flow. Simple. This one, last selling move before the buy is here. This is the order flow is here, right? You can understand like this. अगर 1 आवर के ऑर्डर फ्लो पे प्राइस टैप हुआ तो 5 मिनट का चौक एंट्री लेनी है एग्जैक्टली आफ्टर चौक यस. अगर 1 आवर के और ब्लॉक पे 5 मिनट चौक ओके. अगर 1 आवर के ऑर्डर फ्लो पे टॉप हुआ तो 5 मिनट का चौक पे एंट्री लेनी है आफ्टर चौक यस. हाँ बिल्कुल. ऑर्डर फ्लो या ऑर्डर ब्लॉक जिस टाइम फ्रेम में भी क्रिएट हुआ है लाइक 1 आवर तो आपको 5 मिनट के चौक या फिर लाइक ऑर्डर फ्लो या फिर ऑर्डर ब्लॉक पे ही एंट्री लेनी है आफ्टर चौक. So I was a video about how to counter trend, but my doubt is when price taken out the inducement without PY, how to take it down. Sir, I already covered so many times and so many example that if market taken out the inducement, those are counter trend. No. Like if market momentum is a bullish and everything is a bullish here, right? So simply you can watch the previous high is a broken, that's called break of structure, and now we can sell in a counter trend. When you switch here in a counter trend, then you will see structure something like this. Break this one, and this is a fake chop, and again price going higher high. And next time price break this one, and this one's a called real chop, inducement, and then sell till this decisional PY is here. I mentioned everything in a details. Is here. So simply you can watch this, you can sell here in a counter trend. So certain price extreme PY is a 1 hour. H1 is an inducement for H4. So how we can deal? Simply you have to use the higher time frame. H1 is a more high, like it's depend. Like if you are a day trader, then you can use 1 hour. And if you wanna hold trade for few like 1 or 2 days, 3 days, then you can use 4 hour time frame. Okay. All right, everyone. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone. And if you have any question or anything, then you can text on Telegram. And I'm working on it on a 4.0, and soon you will get very amazing and everything will be clear for you. And when I launch a 4.0, and I will introduce the live trading session and mainly focus on live trading, psychology, risk management, these three key factor I will focus in a 4.0. And I will try to become like I will give my 100% for you to become your profitable and consistency profitable trader for you to you. Okay. And I will choose few members to make my team like as a moderator, which will help for everyone, because this time uh, I will create a very simple and logical and practical and also proven strategy for you, which is a part of the SMC and some kind of price action, and which will deliver after Ramadan month. And I'm just working on it. And this time, syllabus of the content are very smaller, but mainly focus on live thing. That's why, which is really helpful for everyone. Because if I make a 20, 30 chapters, so which is not good. Sometimes people are watching, sometimes is not watching. That's why. So I'm just focusing on live things, which is very helpful in a live market. and I will take a one or two at least weekly live trading session, and also provide a markup analysis and setups, everything as per my side. I will do max, just max possible for me to deliver to you. So let's see. So sometime market fail the decisional PY and goes to extreme PY, and but reverse between them. And so it's depend, like if sometime what happen, price react from decisional and extreme PY, between decisional and extreme PY, because that if you switch in another time frame, then you will see that zone market create inducement or maybe or any other PY. That's why market this is all about probability. You have to think about it before to execute your position. You have to think in a probability. Price not create not a tap from your sometime price just tap your decisional POI and fail. Sometime your price tap on extreme and then market give actual move. So this is all about a P this is all about probability. Why you're not revealing your voice? After reveal my face, there is no change in the world. That's why. So there is no PY, then how we can trade after taking out the inducement? So if there is no PY, then simply you can wait for taking out the inducement, like sweep the inducement and create SUB after taking out the inducement. Then we can buy sell. And also we can buy sell after taking out the mean high low. If market not create the inducement, sorry, not create any PY. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone. In Playground profile is you or not? No, I not. Those are internet download old pic, so I'm just using them. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day. Have a nice, great weekend, and happy Holi and happy Ramadan for everyone. Thank you so much, everyone.